sublimation printer. Prints images onto special paper that can be transferred to items using heat and pressure. Perfect for creating personalized products like mugs, shirts, phone cases, and photo gifts, the sublimation process produces vibrant, long-lasting prints. Mini CNC machine uses computer-controlled tools to carve and cut materials like wood, plastic, and metal. Suitable for small-scale manufacturing, prototyping, and creating detailed designs and parts. It's used by hobbyists, inventors, and small business